Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech. And do you want to share your location on WhatsApp without actually being there? Whether it's for fun, privacy, or just exploring tech, this 2025 guide will show you how to send a fake location on WhatsApp or other social media apps safely and step by step. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So I will show you for both Android and iOS devices. Firstly, let's focus on the iOS. For that, go to this website. The link is given in the description and in the pinned comment as well. So once you are on this website, you will see interface like this. Here you will just have to select the device on which you want to download it and then just click on free download. But for iOS devices it's so exclusive, so before that you will need to buy it first. For that, just click on buy and make the payment. After that, you will receive this installation guide link on your email or contact details you provided. There you will just have to click on download now and install it like a normal software. After that, open the assistant app and log in there with your Apple ID. This Apple ID can be different from one you have logged in on your iPhone or iPad. So after login, you will just have to connect your iOS device with your computer using USB cable on which you want to install the iAnyGo app. After that, trust your computer and click on install iAnyGo iOS app. Then wait for a few minutes, and if you get any pop-up, just follow the instruction on the screen, and after that the apps will get installed on your iOS devices. It's just a one-time process and it will hardly take your 1 or 2 minutes. So as you can see here, both the apps are installed successfully on my iPhone. One is iAnyGo iOS app and another is IP Locator. I will tell you how to use these apps later in this video after the setting up process. So after successful installation, just open your settings app, then general, then VPN and device management, and trust your email ID or Apple ID you logged in assistant app to install the iAnyGo app, and that Apple ID will appear right here as you can see here. After all of this process, open iAnyGo iOS app, then go to the three dot in the top right corner, then just log in or register here. So after login or register, you can now use the app without any issues. As you can see here, my current location is in India, and now we will try to change our location and share it with someone on the WhatsApp. For that, just select any location over the map around the world and then follow the instruction on the screen if you are doing it for the first time. And you will see after only few clicks, your location will be modified successfully to the location you selected without any issues. Now before we try to send location over WhatsApp to someone, let's try to change location to another place. For that, just select the location on the map and then click on the middle icon, and you will see your location is modified successfully. As you can see here, I have moved to Pakistan. Alright, so it was not safe to move to Pakistan. So now let's try to move Tokyo. As you can see here, just select the location here and then click on middle icon, and your location will be modified successfully. Now let's try to send location over WhatsApp to someone. In case I'm going to send it to myself only, for that I will just open my WhatsApp and then click on plus icon in the lower left corner and select on location. After that, I will just click on share live location, and location will be shared successfully without any issues as you can see here. And not only WhatsApp, your location will be modified on Snapchat, on Tinder, on your Pokemon Go app, and every app that use your location, as you can see here on my screen as a proof. And not only the location changing feature, iAnyGo app offers a lot of features related to location change. For example, here is the first option on which you will just have to select the location you want to move to and then just click on this sand icon, and it will automatically find a best route. And after that, you will just have to select your speed and the rounds you want, and then just click on start. After that, you will see your location will start moving without any issues, and it is best for the people who works in the delivery apps and in the Pokemon Go or Monster Hunt like games. And trust me, you will never face any cooldown or account ban problem. And other features are multi-spot and single spot movement. This also work like the first feature I showed you, but in this feature you will move directly without a specific route. And same here, you will just have to select points you want to move to and then just click on start after selecting your speed and the rounds. And as you can see here, it is also working perfectly. And after that, there is one more option and that is jump teleport. This is also same, but instead of moving here, location switch is instant. And another great feature of this app is using joystick, and here you will just have to select the joystick option and your speed. After that, adjust the direction using your joystick and then click on start. This works perfectly for the games like Pokemon Go and Monster Hunt, and even you can turn on display track to see which route you move through, and all the features are working great without any issues or lag problem. It's instant and crazy fast. So that's how you can change your location and send it over WhatsApp or other social media app and use it on your Monster Hunt or Pokemon Go like app to access the location all around the world without moving an inch. Now let's see its pricing. So there are 3 bundles. You can go with any one of these according to your requirement, and it will be the best if you are serious about changing your location for any reason, like you are delivery partner of any app, you want to play games like Pokemon Go or Monster Hunt without any location restriction, and much more. And its plans are also cheap as compared to other alternatives, and they use 100% secure payment methods and also provide 30 days money back guarantee in case you did not like the service, and also there is 24/7 support. So if you want to try it, the link is given in the description and the pinned comment as well. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to Region of Tech if you are new here, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.